Welcome to the AC Guillotine League. It's your boy Nitty. Let's get it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Started this thing up from the ground. Called up all my friends, said come on down. AC Guillotine, that's the name of the game. Every single week, it ain't never gonna be the same. Watch a line up, check the waiver wire glow. Cause one wrong move and you're the next to go. Another Sunday, somebody's getting chopped tonight. Hope your squad is ready, put up a real good fight. But me, I'm cool, I'm watching from my throne. I don't have a cat in this boat, I'm in my zone. I see you sweating, checking scores on your phone, praying for a touchdown, don't wanna be alone. Last place blues, yeah, the feeling's cold as the story of your fantasy season gets told. Me, I'm just watching my monsters of the midway play. Bed down, baby, come what may. Another Sunday, somebody's getting chopped tonight. Hope your squad is ready, put up a real good fight. But me, I'm cool, I'm watching from my throne. I don't have a cat in this boat, I'm in my zone. Okay, let's switch the flow. Nitty on the mic now, built this lead from scratch. Y'all should take a bow to the commissioner. Yeah, that's me running the show. Watching you panic when you star player don't go. It's a cold world, every week ahead gotta roll. Losing yoga's players takes a heavy toll. But my team's solid, built for the long run, you see. So when you ask if I'm worried, man, listen to me. Another Sunday, somebody's getting chopped tonight. Oh, the squad is ready, put up a real good fight. But me, I'm cool, I'm watching from my throne. I don't have a cat in this boat, I'm in my zone. Getting chopped, yeah, that's the guillotine for you. Better luck next year.